So now we're gonna check out the third floor, which needs a little bit more work. Maybe a lot more work. But that's where the fun is. So the first half of the third floor is very usable, 3 bedrooms, but the second half I'm gonna show you definitely needs some work, but it's also really cool because it just shows the living history of this home. It's pretty much the servants' quarters. So as you can tell, they have not redone this area. They have the carpet here, and then it's broken up into these little, specific rooms. Again, this was probably a laundry room, obviously, but I bet this is original. I don't want to break it, but this part was probably done for sleeves, I'm guessing, like that. It's just, again, it's a little eerie, but also just so interesting that those details were kept in the house for 100 years, even if people haven't used them for a long time. Again, you have another one right here. Again, a little spooky, but a lot of potential. And this is pretty cool. An original tub. And it would be cool to utilize this. I don't know for what exactly. Put some ice in it, beer or wine. Make it a party thing. But the fact that this is still here is just adds to the intrigue of this whole house. So again, the third floor we can really do some cool stuff with, but it's probably going to be a little later on. We're still in the servants' quarters, but this was the sort of designated staircase. But you also have these really cool details, even here, little arch window. But again, it's a little tighter, but you really get a sense of how tall this house was. I mean, you can see almost straight to the floor. It gives you a little bit of that vertigo feeling. It's 100 years old, so you are going to see things that are not in houses anymore. But again, just kind of cool that use this as a second staircase. And it goes right to the closet in the master bedroom. So again, maybe they did laundry up here, put it down there, and then it kind of goes all the way to the kitchen. So it's very intentionally placed and such a unique feature that sets this house apart. Showing people this amazing home in Richmond that just, the last thing I want is for this gorgeous house that was designed to be, private in a way. And yes, I'll have my space and this will be my house, but it's so cool to share this space with others, and that's what I'm looking forward to the most. That's pretty much the tour. It's a blank slate, got a lot to work on, but we're just gonna take it area by area and really not have the need to get it all done at once. Take our time with it, and again, I want it to be where we can enjoy it now, but then also kind of make it the way I want to make it. Again, it's just a once in a lifetime opportunity to be able to have this house, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do with it.